Hello, so are you having trouble accepting yourself? Self-acceptance is a biggie, and that's what we're going to work on today. Letting go some of that old stuff so you can be open to accepting yourself. And how different would life look like if you could just accept who you are, just be who you are, okay? Not let all this old stuff get in the way, all this old garbage. So have a think about this. Have a think how it affects your life. Tapping helps us get into those limiting beliefs, so it explores how we can just let go of some of that stuff and begin just to start accepting ourselves, and that's okay. So I want you to start tapping on the side of the hand for me and see how we get on today. So I choose to accept me, and I choose to love and accept myself now. Tapping into feelings of self-acceptance, of self-worth, and I choose to love and accept me now and anyone else that might be involved. Tapping into feelings of self-acceptance. What if I could simply accept me for me? Choosing to let go of some of this old stuff. And I choose to love and accept me now and maybe anyone else that might be involved. So I've been feeling really stuck. I just can't seem to accept myself. What if I could let that go today? All these feelings of not being able to accept myself, and it's been keeping me stuck. What if I could let that go? Maybe it's just some old stuff from the past. Maybe it's some old programs. I don't think I was born thinking I couldn't accept myself. Maybe I picked it up somewhere along the way. And that's okay. And I am safe right now. But I want to be open to letting some of this go. What if I could tap into feelings of self-acceptance? Letting go the need to beat myself up. Letting go the need to call myself out. Letting go to falling into this negative self-talk. What if I could let all that go? What if I could accept me for me? What if I could just choose to know there's only one of me? There's only one of me on this planet. Everyone else is taken. What if I could choose to accept me? What if I could be open to accepting me? Let go of all these old beliefs. Let go of this negative self-talk. The need to beat myself up. What if I could let go? What if I could know I get to choose? Not someone else. Not a family member or a partner. Not a friend. Not the person down the street. I get to choose. I'm responsible for my feelings, my emotions, my internal dialogue. What if I could just choose? What if I could be open to accepting myself? Tapping into feelings of self-acceptance, feeling worthy, feeling self-love. What if I could tap into all those feelings now? Letting go of this need to beat myself up. Letting go all this negative self-talk. What if I could start saying some good things to myself? What if I could start saying lots of good things about myself? Or whatever feels right for me. Letting go of this need to beat myself up. I choose to accept me for who I am. Tapping into feelings of self-acceptance. Tapping into feelings of self-worth. Tapping into feelings of self-love. Letting go of the past now. I choose to know the past is gone. Tapping into feelings of self-love and self-worth. Feeling lighter and lighter. Feeling good in mind and body. Letting go all the way back through my past. Great, take a nice deep breath. Okay, just check in with how you're feeling. How's that self-acceptance? Is anything else come up there? If it did, I want you to go away and tap on that as well. Make a note of that, or repeat this video as and when necessary. As ever, do please let me know how you get on in the comments. And if you've not subscribed already, love to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or tell anyone else if they're, if you found this video useful. Okay, and if you need any further support, just don't hesitate to get in touch. Take care.